Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Cyberwhistle sells out hours after launch. Tesla announces it has officially moved its headquarters next to Gigafactory Texas. Tesla Giga Texas gets closer to Model Y ramp with new set of completed reviews. And Tesla enables in-car upgrade purchases with new software update. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla released a Cyberwhistle inspired by Giga Texas's upcoming Cybertruck. The Cyberwhistle hints at other Cyber-branded products that Tesla could be releasing before Cybertrucks hit the roads. Musk announced the product's launch on Twitter, throwing some lighthearted banter towards iPhone maker Apple in the process. "Don't waste your money on that silly Apple cloth. Buy our whistle instead," Musk tweeted. The $50 whistle is made with premium medical-grade stainless steel and shaped like the Cybertruck. It also included an attachment feature. The Cyberwhistle is listed as limited edition, and it's unclear if Tesla plans to restock the medical-grade whistle in the future. In comparison, the Apple cloth is a $19 polishing cloth for cleaning the tech giant's array of devices. The Apple cloth was available for purchase shortly after the Unleashed Apple event and was back-ordered up to almost 12 weeks at one point. Less than 2 hours after Elon Musk announced the Tesla Cyberwhistle, it was officially labeled out of stock. The Cyberwhistle hints at how other Tesla Cyber products could do in the future. In September, Tesla filed a trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office for the Cyberquad name. However, the new trademark was not for the Cyber ATV unveiled with the Cybertruck. Instead, the patents were for other products, including games, toys, sporting goods, and clothing. Who knows where the Cyberwhistle fits into those categories, but one thing is clear: cyber products are coming. Tesla might release more cyber products ahead of the Cybertruck. Moving to the next update, Tesla announces it has officially moved its headquarters next to Gigafactory Texas. Tesla has just announced that it has officially moved its headquarters to a location next to Gigafactory Texas in Austin. At Tesla's 2021 shareholders meeting in October, Elon Musk announced that Tesla would be moving its headquarters from Palo Alto, California, to Austin, Texas. The CEO didn't elaborate on the move at the time, nor revealed the specific location, though it was assumed it would be at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla just issued a new SEC filing that confirmed the move and revealed the new address of Tesla's headquarters. On December 1, 2021, Tesla relocated its corporate headquarters to Gigafactory Texas at 13101 Harold Green Road, Austin, Texas 78725. A quick Google search shows that the address is right next to Gigafactory Texas in Austin. Tesla followers have been wondering whether Tesla will move its headquarters into the main Gigafactory Texas building itself or into a different building on the site, which is a massive 2,000 acres of land. But the fact that it's not right in the main building doesn't mean that it won't be located in there, as addresses on new developments like this one are often messed up and get cleared away over time. Right now, the location only has some temporary trailers and construction offices. During the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic, Musk said that Tesla would leave California after he grew frustrated with the restrictions that made it hard for the automaker to restart production. Soon after, Tesla announced plans to build a large factory and complex in Austin, but the automaker's headquarters remained in Palo Alto. Musk himself officially relocated to Texas, and until the confirmation in October, there have been rumors that Tesla would soon follow. Now it's officially done, but the CEO is insistent that Tesla will also continue to grow in California. Moving to the next update, Tesla Giga Texas gets closer to Model Y ramp with new set of completed reviews. Tesla Gigafactory Texas is running full speed towards the company's target for initial Model Y production. To help accomplish this, the massive electric vehicle production facility recently completed the reviews for 5 of Giga Texas's key facilities. The completed reviews stand as yet another step for the project, which has all but closed the gap with its counterpart in Germany. Giga Texas's build-out was started later than Gigafactory Berlin, though the US-based site has not met the same level of red tape and opposition as its Grünheide-based sibling. To date, Giga Berlin is practically ready to start Model Y production, but it is still in a limbo of sorts as it waits for its final approval. Giga Texas, on the other hand, has been in a mad rush towards initial Model Y production since it started its construction last year. Just last month, for example, Tesla submitted 5 filings to the Texas Architectural Review Board for several sections of the Giga Texas complex. The areas that were specified in the filings were related to paint, stamping, body in white, general assembly, and casting. The filings indicated that the projects would cost a total of about $1.1 billion. Interestingly enough, the filings also indicated that the target completion date for the projects was listed at December 31, 2021. Similar to the pace of Giga Texas itself, the review process for all 5 of the electric vehicle production facilities sections was completed quickly. Even before the month of November was done, the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation indicated that it had completed the reviews for all 5 of Giga Texas's filings. The review process was completed just 10 days after Tesla initially submitted its applications. Gigafactory Texas stands as a key component for the company's expansion into the global market. Tesla is expected to inch closer towards the milestone of delivering 1 million vehicles in a year this 2021, and that's with only 2 factories that are actively producing cars. The Fremont factory is not as optimized as Giga Shanghai either, so when custom facilities like Giga Texas and Gigafactory Berlin go online, Tesla's vehicle production and delivery numbers would most certainly see a notable improvement. Moving to the last update, Tesla enables in-car upgrade purchases with new software update. Tesla has enabled drivers and owners to purchase upgrades for their vehicles in their cars with the rollout of Software Update 2021.40.6. Upgrades for Tesla have been available for years in many different forms. Everything from premium connectivity, which gives drivers features like navigation, live traffic visualization, video streaming, and an internet browser, among other features, and performance improvements, like acceleration booster full self-driving, have been available for purchase through the Tesla smartphone app for some time. Prior to the smartphone app, Tesla owners would have to purchase these updates directly from their account on Tesla's website, which was somewhat of a pain for many. The convenience of having the smartphone app was great, but now Tesla is taking the accessibility a step further by letting owners buy these upgrades directly from their vehicle's center dash screen. The update was included with software version 2021.40.6, which has been rolling out to vehicles for a little over a week, according to teslascope.com, a site that tracks the deployment of Tesla software updates. The past few days have been the most heavily concentrated rollout of the software update. The addition of the upgrades menu in the Tesla settings screen was noticed first by Reddit user Sage Dew, who posted a photograph of the upgrades menu. Perhaps one of the biggest advantages of the in-car purchase option is the fact that mistaken or accidental purchases can basically be eliminated with this update. Many Tesla owners with the smartphone app installed on their phones have complained of being charged for upgrades they did not purchase. Instead, full self-driving and Tesla's acceleration boost both were the subjects of accidental purchases in the news earlier this year and late last year. Tesla created a refund program for these instances. Tesla's 2021.40.6 software update also added waypoints, tidal music streaming, active road noise reduction, cold weather improvements, rear display improvements, language support, traffic-aware cruise control chime improvements, range display improvements, side repeater camera improvements, and navigation fixes. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.